Welcome to Lark. In this video, we're going to learn how to use Lark Docs to collaborate effectively with colleagues. Type @ to mention a colleague or insert a relevant document or group card. Seamlessly switch between documents and group chats for more efficiency. Want to divide up tasks more clearly? Insert a task list, the relevant people, and set a deadline. All this will be immediately synced to the task center. The system will remind members at specified times, so you don't need to worry about incomplete tasks. Share documents you've created with your team. Invite members to create with you by allowing them to edit the document. Got a question about something? Select it and leave a comment. During a meeting, you can use Share Docs to share documents, discuss comments one by one, focus on the key points, and quickly draw conclusions. Do you ever wonder who's read your document? Click the 3 dots in the upper right corner to view document details, relevant data, and view history. Give it a try. Want to learn more tips and tricks for using Docs? Click the question mark in the lower right corner and head to the Help Center to learn more.